Hello there, and welcome to Warmy. I'm Roman, your guide in the universe of email deliverability. Today we are diving into a critical tool that can make or break your email campaigns, the email deliverability test. If you have ever wondered why some of your brilliantly crafted emails end up in spam folders, this video is for you. So, what's an email deliverability test? Think of it as a health checkup for your emails. It's a comprehensive evaluation that assesses how effectively your emails reaching your recipients' inboxes. At Warmy.io, we offer a free email deliverability test that examines factors like your sender reputation, content quality, and adherence to industry's best practices. Now, let's learn how to use our email deliverability test. It's very easy, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's go to Warmy.io, and under Free Tools, we see here Email Deliverability Test. So let's start our test. You can send either from your email account or from marketing system. Under the email list, we see a drop-down that lets us choose how emails will be divided by comma, by semicolon, by line break with comma, by line break with semicolon. We choose comma, copy these addresses, and let's go to our inbox. In two sections, we put the email list and make the email itself. By the way, this email should be real. We click send, and the message is sent. So let's go back to Warmy and click on check email deliverability. So the test is ready, and let's see the results. 84 of our emails went to main inbox and 16 to spam. A little below, there's an overview that shows you how well you did with each email provider. On the right, you see the success rate of your emails. Let's open iCloud. And when you click on a provider, you can see the detailed list. This detailed page shows a lot. On the left, you see the address your email went to, where the email ended up, and what time it took to deliver the message. Further down, we check if your domain name is on any bad lists. It's crucial. If your domain name is on these lists, your emails might not be delivered. And lastly, you can share your results on social media. So, that's how you use email deliverability test. It's a tool that checks your emails, gathers information, and helps make sure your emails always reach the main inbox. Now that you know how it works, why not try it yourself? Go to Warmy.io and use our free email deliverability test. It's very easy, just a few clicks and you'll see how your emails are performing. This information can really improve the way your messages are received. If you need any other assistance with deliverability topics, be sure to check our help center. The link is right here. We've got tons of helpful articles to keep you emailing like a pro. Thanks so much for watching, Warmers. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe for more deliverability tips. I'm Roman from Warmy, and I'll see you next time.